Oh, thank you, Jesus. After all this, yes. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Great morning. Trust your whole heart. Splendid night rests. Yeah, it's a new week. It's a new week. It's a new week. God is good. God is good. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Yeah. So send to the group, you're live, you're live, you're live. Share this link to whoever you want to join. Right, share. Share the link, you're live. Yes. La barada di kapara. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah, the bond was super paladi. Yes. You're still good. You're still good. You're so good. Come on. After all these years, you're still good. Yeah, God is good. After all these years, you're still. Lift those hands. Oh wow. Yeah, so let's go. Remove. Morning, trust you all out a splendid night rest. Screen. Signify I can see your screen. I can see your screen. I can see your screen. Welcome to Pre-London Market Analysis with ProFx. Yeah, and what we do every month to equip you with the knowledge and strategies needed to navigate the forex market effectively as the London session approaches. Provide you with valuable insights into market dynamics, key level screens. Yeah. Can you see my screen? Check. Oh, let me check over here. Really, my screen is showing. Okay, great. Let's get into business. Right, screen check. So you're ready. What we do? So I think this something here in the night. This guy broke out. This guy like wow. We had this break of structure in the night. So I was expecting that coming into the coming into this morning that this guy will be respected and continue selling. But no wala. We have a break of structure already. So let's just follow the structure, direction, the structure. So let's say, okay, now we have a break of structure here. before we come into our Asian range, high and low. In fact, if you look left, there is a high here that has just also what's been broken, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's mark those two, internal and external. Good. And we are of course at the premium level of this structural break. Okay. So it means the higher low and higher high according to this structure. According to this structure, higher low, higher high. And if you have this range is giving you what a premium and what discount zone. So based on market structure, this is what we have. Based on market structure, this is what we have. Based on market structure, this is what we have. Okay. So this is a retracement. Pull back, took out this, respected this, and now broke structure. So this is the parts. Boom, boom, and boom. Impulse, correction, impulse. We are expecting a correction, right? But let's just stop here first. Let me screen grab this and save. So let's pick it one after the other. One after the other. One after the other. Mm. Now we can now go into our Asian for direct for location. I'm gonna save. Okay, it's back. Oh, thank you, Jesus. For all of these years, market structure. Market structure. Now let's now dive into our location. Location. You are implementing your Asian range into your strategy. The question you ask yourself is where is Asian range positioned in notes when you are implementing Asian range into your strategy? You're asking yourself where is what Asian range position range, whether it is your daily range or in your break of structure range, right? Daily range or break of structure range. Now, question in our break of structure range, where is Asian range positioned? Question in our break of structure range, where is Asian section positioned? In our break of structure range, where is Asian section positioned? You can answer that. In our break of structure range, where is Asian section positioned? Premium, yeah, grab premium, right? Now, in our daily range, where is daily range? We have daily high here. Where daily low is? Okay, good. Where is daily low? Daily low, daily low. La, 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 la. Okay, good. Daily high here and daily low. Let me do this. So let's take off this. Now for daily range, let's see. Okay, for daily range, daily high is here and daily low is here. Now for daily range, we see that Asian range is positioned even outside the premium. Okay, it broke out of the premium because this is our high and low for daily range. Okay, let me go to my daily candle so you know what I'm talking about. Let me go to my daily candle one day. One day, one day. So for daily range, this Monday candle, let's go focus, let's fuck things up. Let us break out with one kind nonsense bullish candle. So for my daily range, this is my previous day high and what previous day low. You can see that price has already what's broken out with this massive, you know, previous. I think there's even a gap safe. We closed here and we opened here. So I think there's a gap. We closed here and we opened here. I think there's a gap. So this is my previous day high and what previous day low. And HRM has broken out. So let's go back to 15 minutes. I think we have a gap. Yeah, there's a gap. Yeah, there's a gap. It's a jump gap. So it's looking like this up, right? We'll start buy way buy up now. Just carry normal. So we don't have interest in buying yet. Okay, so let's wait for Asian range to form by 8 o'clock. Asian price action will have delivered by 8 o'clock, right? Asian price action will have delivered by 8 o'clock. So we now know what to do. Whether do we have a break of structure or manipulation. So we are waiting. We are waiting for 8 o'clock for each for Euro USD. So this is my daily range, my daily high, and what's daily low. Now, once I see candlestick come inside there, I'm sell. I'm selling, taking my profit here first. Do you understand? Once I see candlestick push back inside there with a bearish confirmation, I'm selling. My first take profit is here, right? So 2.5 for Euro USD. More or less. Clear? Mm, let's click on this guy. So I'm just waiting, just waiting, just waiting, just waiting, just waiting. We have a demand zone here. That will be our first take profit if you are selling. Okay. Okay. So we're patient. We're patient. So that's what we have for Euro USD. So let's go into gold. Time frame. This is 30 minutes. Is it T 30M? This is 30 minutes. This is what it looks like on 15 minutes. This is what it looks like on 15 minutes. Yep. Even from here, if you are using our normal action, but just that we are above premium, so might be risky. We are not yet in normal section. If not, if you are going by the normal market structure, you can start selling already because we have already what it takes to sell. But this is just one. Like I said, our change of character must be at least what? At least two. I come again. Our character must be at least two to be valid, to be serious. So what we have here is for now a sweep, and this is the first character change. So we still need one more, okay, which will be this one, which will be what this. Then we are serious. This is on 5 minutes, yeah. Let's say 3 minutes. On 3 minutes, we still have, or same thing, 3 minutes, we have just one. So higher low, higher high. You can't call this one a character change. It's too small for a break of structure. So this is the first one. Yeah, so this is the second one. So we are still very much waiting, waiting. Once we see this boom, then it pulls back. We are ready to what sell. So let's also take note of this. This is 3 minutes now. We have had the first shift, second shift, then it pulls back, then we sell. All this we are waiting for it to happen around 8 thereabouts. Okay. Right. We are waiting, we are waiting, we are waiting, we are waiting. Patience, 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 patience. So I screen grab this and we are done for EU. Just to wait. We're done for EU. So let's go to gold. We will check GJ too. We check GJ also. We check GJ. Hmm. Alright, so gold alpha. So let's see what let's start with 4 hours. Okay, let's start with 4 hours. What's 4 hours doing? 4 hours is building up what liquidity here, right? 4 hours is building up liquidity here. Let me use my line charts. So this is a build up of a build. We are building liquidity here for a sell side, right? Let me just use my liquidity now. This is what we are interested in. That's the last point of true mitigation. The last point of true mitigation is what we are interested in to buy. I said the other time already. This guy has already, if not this guy, but that guy looks to be already being mitigated. If not, that will be the one that we are looking for, right? So this is what we have for gold. Gold bubble, right? And we expect this guy to be what taken out as the buy side liquidity. Okay, right. So this is what we're expecting. So we don't have interest in buying yet until price comes into this point of interest, right? Then you want to buy. There must be a sweep of liquidity first. No liquidity, no what? No trade. No liquidity, no trade. So this is what we are expecting for our first buy. And this is 4 hours, mind you. This is 4 hours. Oh, is that clear? Using your 0, 1, 2, 3. Can you see? 0, 0, 1, 2, and what? 3. What do you expect? 4. And this is 2 for me, too early for a buy, right? So you see this, come to take out this inducement into this guy, and what we buy, or this guy here. Clear? Yeah, it's go clear. Yeah, morning. Fire, 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 fire. Eh, yeah, we will do silver. We will do silver. We will check silver. We will check silver. We will check silver. We will check silver. See my silver guy. It's been a while. We've checked silver charts. Should we check silver now? Now, so this is a pattern. This is how we draw pattern. This is a pattern. You can see I took out this from this chart. So let's now label. So these are brick of structure. This is pattern. Brick of structure. This is our inducement, right? And this is where we have the other block from. Other block. Yeah, so these are then we have the buy side liquidity to be swept here. Simple. Is this clear? Is this clear? Observe, observe, observe. Oh no, no, not this one. Oh, okay, yeah, it is, it is, it is, it is. Right. Let's check silver. Then we go to GBP JPY. We can even adjust this guy here since we have. Let's bring it down here. That's the liquidity. Let me adjust that. Okay, instead of bringing it up, this is here. Okay, let's bring. That was when I was using a line chart to draw it. So now we have. Oh la 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 la. Okay, so AXG, XAG rather, XAG USD silver. My guy is still here. Oh my god, see this guy with G. Ah, silver, 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 see silver. This guy tapped into this demand, right, and has been buying ever since. Buying ever since. Wow, wow. Can you see? So it's just basically same thing. We call this. We did this setup that was around January. So break of structure, yeah, break of structure, right? Then all these sides are what liquidity. Then last point of true mitigation or demand zone, right? Extreme demand. So let's look at the Fibonacci retracement we have from here. Let's say the Fibonacci level is respected. Okay, yeah. Of course, optimal trade entry in this case close to the extreme, right? So it's 8.6, close to 8.6 rather, right? So if you're entering from 61.8, okay, your stop loss will be either 79% or 88.6. If you don't want to be 100%, at most 88.6. Okay, 88.6 for volatile pairs. Don't do 79% because it's most likely to sweep out. But 88.6, 100% is cool. All right, if I entry from 61.8. But if I entry from 71%, of course, you can do 88.6 and you can do what? 100%. Do you get? So this silver so far, imagine this. Imagine this. Just imagine this. And of course, okay, let me even take about this, guys. So of course, look at this, what we have been saying since. If your high takes out a liquidity, that high becomes what? A target, right? You've said this over and over again, over and over again. If a high, if a high takes out what? A liquidity, that high becomes what? A target. So this high took out this, and that high becomes what? The target. I've said this over and over again. It becomes the target. All right, what do you do? Wait for what? Impulse and correction after the target has been taken. Is this not it here? It took out target, impulse, correction. Good boy, right? Have you not done this pattern before? Look at what we drew as a pattern. So we have a break of structure that took out the targets, right? Wait for a impulse, correction, and takes out these targets. This is the pattern. This is the pattern. So when this I takes out it liquidity, wait for what? Impulse correction and we fire. This is the pattern. Is that clear? On 30 minutes, most likely, right? So when a high takes out what a target, wait for an impulse correction, they will target that target. Let's go to 30 minutes on this guy. Let's see what's up. Let's go to 30 minutes on this guy. 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Can you imagine? So this is the impulse. Can you see? Impulse correction to where? To the location, my brothers and sisters. Is this not the location? Guys, God punish poverty. Oh. Is this not the location? 30 minutes, whatever it is. Right? Right? And what do? We target the target. Uh, we target what? The target. So that's the pattern. When we see that the swing high or the strong the a low, wait for an impulse, a correction on that location. In 1 hour, it is a what? Drop base rally in 1 hour. In 30 minutes, it's a demand zone. Sorry, in 1 hour, it's a demand zone. In 30 minutes, it's an order block. So this is a demand zone on 1 hour. Drop base rally. Okay, and what? We fire. Targeting what? The buy side liquidity. Same thing again is happening here. Look at it here. So let's take off this guy. So let me first screenshot this. Let me screenshot this because this is called winning pattern. This pattern will happen over and over again. So when you have a winning pattern, what do? You screenshot and save it. So this is a winning pattern that needs to be screen grabbed and saved. winning pattern that needs to be screen grabbed and saved. Yep. XAGUSD winning pattern. XAGUSD classroom winning pattern. Somebody type winning pattern, winning pattern, winning pattern, winning pattern. Someone type winning pattern, winning pattern, we want to have a pattern. Yep. Winning pattern, winning pattern. It's a winning pattern. So don't fight it. It will happen over and over again. A high sweeps out and that high becomes the target. Just wait for what? Your confirmation is what? I wait for an impulse and a correction to an order block or demand zone. I fire. I fire. So having this happen, let's now look at the current. This is the So the question is, what created the sweep? It is this guy. Oh, who is ready to make some bread this week? No worry. Hmm? When the market will come to your hands, it will be. Don't worry. You might be missing these moves now, but the beauty is that you're understanding why these moves are the same pattern. The question is, do you understand what's happening? So look at this carefully. This eye swept out this guy. We do what? Wait for what? An impulse and then what? Correction. So this is our entry. And we are targeting this guy. So you have missed it, no problem. On 1 hour, like I said, demand zone on 1 hour, other block on what? 15 minutes. Demand zone on 1 hour, other minutes, 15 minutes, yeah. So demand zone on 1 hour is rally, clear, very clear. In this case now, we dropped into what? Middle. That's even more perfect, more beautiful. On 30 minutes, definitely we will see other block on 30, of course. Can you see? That is the other block. But you have to, as if you are using the other block only, you see that you are swept. But because we know that this week is everything down, and we use the whole from the week towards the eye, and this is it. Clear. Okay. This 30 minutes other block. So we are targeting that what high. We are still going to go there. We will get there. We will get there. We will get there. So now we are having internal. This same thing that happen on external, we see it happen internally too. This same pattern that happen externally, we see it happen where internally. Let me first screen grab this because this move have started already. Again, market is the market, but no problem. Let's just prepare for whatever you want to do. But we have seen the first leg. This is one confirmation and what? So as of last week Monday, must have been buying already, right? But if you miss this buy, no problem. Where is the inter of this same structure? So internally, you can see that this has been swept internally now. Okay, let's just mark the break of structure and the sweep. So let's see this internal structure now. Everything happening here is internal until this buy side liquidity is taken. Everything happening here is what is internal. Everything happening here is internal. Good. So internal buy side to be taken out is here. We expect this guy to be taken as internal buy side liquidity. All right. So as this guy swept this guy, yes or yes? As this eye swept, as he swept it, answer. As that eye, as he swept it, as the eye swept that low, yes, yes. Who is also confirming yes, yes, yes. As the eye swept the low, yes, good, good. Now, since it has swept the low, what next do you want to see? Confirmation of what? Impulse and correction, which will also be our change of character. Can you see? Market structure shifts. You can see impulse that shifted this guy and what? Pullback. So we have a shift here already. We have a change of character, one, and we're expecting a change of character, two. Can you see how we are combining our confluence together now? So once I see that so let's this is 30 minutes, Abi. So where's my 30 minutes order block? This beautiful guy here. I'm expecting what that confirmation. I have my impulse already. I know what I'm expecting. What correction? So that is for this guy. Let me hide. Let me hide this session. I need to see that can do very well. Okay, this is it here. Okay, good. So guys, this is what we have for silver chart. It's so clear. We have swept this low, right? And we have seen a change of character after the sweep. And we have marked our what? Our point of interest. This will also serve as an inducement into that order block. So we are all set for silver doing what? New York section. Let's see what London will do. Then New York will fire. Because New York is what gives us, if you notice all the chart, New York gives us the move. Look at New York. Asian accumulation, London distribution, New York distribution. But we don't want to buy or sell during London yet. Okay, this is London break of structure, right? It pulls back. New York is where you are ready to sell. New York will give you your good sell setup or buy setup. New York is the best time to sell for. You can see, boom, perfect for the sell. Also, you can see New York, boom, perfect. New York, boom, perfect. So we have seen from past price action that New York is the best place to sell. You can see New York, buy, perfect. Okay. New York, can you see? It's always New York. New York, boom, sell. Right. So don't stress the market. When do you want to sell your silver? New York. So wait for London and Asia and London to give you the whole accumulation manipulation. If there will be, then New York, they are ready to fire. So put it in your trading plan. You trade silver during New York session, or you can say your A plus setup for silver during New York session. So A plus setup silver. New York, write that down in the chat box. Your A plus setup for silver is at what? New York section. Yeah, right. A plus setup for silver, New York. That's when you have more good opportunities. A plus setups for silver. When do you trade it? New York session. A plus for silver, New York. And of course, we know that we are buying all the way up. All the way up. You can see we still have more buy side liquidity before this. We still have this guy here. Voila. Because actually these are our daily high and daily low. We have the range here. So let's not be greedy. Let's not be what? Greedy. We are in the discount zone safe. Can you see? We are positioned in the what? Discount zone. Discount zone. So we buy at discounts, right? We TP at premium. Then to continue. So everything is in line. Silver, I love silver. Like silver is like my EU senior brother. Silver is EU senior brother in terms of the clean, even if it's volatile, but it's clear. Unlike gold, who agrees with me? I think I've said this before now. Silver is the senior brother of gold. EUUSD. Silver is clean. I'll add silver to my watch list when it comes to. I will do more. I will do more back testing on it, and I'll add it to my watch list. Yeah. Time frame, entry setup, rather, for silver. Silver is more calm. Silver is more calm. We can put our buy limit here. Let's see. Our buy limit here, stop loss here, then take profits. Of course, here. That's 1 to 2. Okay, taking up there, that's 1 to 3. I think so. Yeah, 1 to 3. Pretty much. Great. 1 to 3. Yeah, pretty much. So these are setup for silver. Our setup for silver. Okay. Um. Because we already have a sweep and a break of structure. Sweep, break of structure. So and this 30 minutes. So we're good. 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 Oh. Let's go to gold now. Let's go to gold. So my eyes are on silver. My eyes are on silver. My eyes are on silver. Euro USD and silver. So this is capital.com, right? Capital.com on silver. So XAG USD. XAGUSD. Silver and gold I have not. So we are clear on gold now. We are clear on gold too. We said gold. We're expecting gold to what? To take out this liquidity then buy. Right? So gold buy, silver buy. Gold buy, silver buy. Now for gold too, that our pattern. Did it work out here? Let's see. Let's see where our pattern. Yeah, where it played out. I think we have done that before now. Before now. Right. This is the pattern. But gold is crazy. When gold takes out your low, sometimes it is after it takes out the high. So gold is crazy. Gold is crazy. Consider it's not really so clear, but it still works. Right? It takes out the low. This is it. It takes out the low. After that, what does it do? It gives you your what? Your break, your impulse and what? Correction. Back into the order block for 30 minutes. You can see? Or demand zone for what? 1 hour. So you're gonna see this high as the target. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. So when the eye sweeps, you want to see a confirmation and you want to use that as a target to buy. This is crazy. Can you see? Target. Winning, winning pattern. Winning pattern. So let me draw this out for you guys so you see. This is the break of structure. This is Abigail's pattern, no, mind you. Right? Then price came towards take out the low. Then our confirmation is here. High. This is a winning pattern, guys. Winning pattern. So let me screen grab this and I will bring this out so you can see it clearly. So let me and label it properly for us. This is a winning pattern. Don't joke. Break of structure. Break of structure. Yeah. We have inducements. Kai. My God, my God, my God. It took out, it failed this guy too, right? This guy failed. Right, when he failed, then we are now waiting for what? The confirmation here. Other block, 30 minutes and so on. Right, taking then here is our what? Our target. Come on now, come on now, come on now. Give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up. Fire. Let me have some fire emojis. Let me have some 777. Give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up. Winning pattern, winning pattern, winning pattern, winning pattern. The market is your greatest teacher. Oh. The market will teach you more than any mentor will. Once you have understood the basics, just come to the market to look for patterns. Just come to the market to look for what? Patterns. And let that pattern be consistent. You're good to go. The market is your greatest teacher, your greatest mentor. The market is your greatest mentor. Break of trust to take out these words. Winning pattern. Winning pattern. winning pattern, winning pattern. It's 3 minutes to 8 o'clock. So let's check our eagle raise. I love this. I love this. I love this. Oh Jesus! Right. After taking out this guy, in this case now, our confirmation is it breaks. It must be no matter how long it is. Just wait for it. Now this is the pull out, and this is the so that's your Fibonacci. Some might come to 50%. Some might come to this case is what 50%. That's where gold is very, very, very tricky. Some might be at equilibrium, some might be at what discount. This is equilibrium, right? That's where it becomes tricky. But all the same, you will still know, right? So this is where we currently are. This one too now, has it swept out any let's see. Yeah. Break of structure sweep. So let me go to 1 hour. Okay, yeah. So for this guy to be taken out, that means this is the this is not really clear. I want to say sweep. So this is the eye that swept. So there is no. I would say this one, but okay, okay, this is better. This one is better. So we swept this. Yeah, this is better. This is better. I swept this. Okay, swept all this. Right. So this eye swept one, swept two, swept three. After that, what did he do? Break and what? We test and what? Boom, taking out what? This away. Can you see now? So now, currently, what we're expecting now is that this eye now is going to sweep this guy, if possible, this guy, right? That's the current expectation now. Once it does that, I'm in class, I'm in class, I'm in class, I'm in class, I'm in class. So what we're expecting now is this eye, okay, sweep this, and we see what? A confirmation to buy. Yeah. So yeah. Let me do winning pattern for let me do winning pattern here. Let me do a winning pattern here, the last one. So this is the sweep. Okay. And this is the confirmation. Broke out, come back. So where's our guy, our other block? You can use from here to here. Okay, you started here. Good. So this is it. This candle, right? 30 minutes. So the same thing happening again, right? And where's the target? The guy that swept it, the leg that swept it becomes the target. The leg that swept it becomes the target. The leg that swept it becomes the target. The leg that swept it becomes target. The leg that swept it becomes the target. You can see it came back again. and boomed. So um yo 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 patience, right? You need patience for it to be swept. You need a lot of patience. You need a lot of patience, a lot of patience, a lot of patience. So currently, this leg is sweeping the liquidity. So you have to just mm, okay. So this is expecting towards to be swept as a buy side liquidity. Yep. So we have swept here. I've seen this one. So we might see more sweep. Let's put it here. Let's put this here. And let's put this here. Okay. And we watch. We wait. We wait. We wait. We wait. We wait. For what? This, then this. Whatever. 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 So clear. So I think we are good to go. Let's go back to EURUSD. Let's see what EURUSD is doing. Let's see what EURUSD has done so far. And we call it a day. We call it a day. Or we do GJ and we'll call it a day. Perfect. EURUSD has given us what? Has given us 27. So regardless of the manipulation out of Asian, we have a consolidated VR and what Asian low. Good. So if I want to sell, I'm expecting what manipulation and what distribution and I sell. Or for sell scenario. All right? Simple as that. For sell, distribution, I sell. Or brick of structure, that's distribution, and I sell. So let me screen grab this Euro USD entry setup. Euro USD entry setup. Euro USD entry. So 9 o'clock will determine that. On Friday, my entry was 8:45. I can remember. Friday, my entry was at 8:45. So it could be around that time, 8:45 to 9 o'clock. Right? Your entry 8:45 to 9 o'clock. All right, we're expecting to see something happen. Okay. So let's keep our fingers crossed. 8:45, 9 o'clock. Let's see what's gonna happen on Euro USD. Right. So let's call it today. Let me do DJ before I run. Let me do DJ, then I run. DJ and I run. GJ and I run. Let's go to 4 hours. What do we see here on 4 hours? So clear, so clear, so clear that we are respecting this demand zone. So clear that are respecting this 4 hours demand zone. So clear. Okay. All these red candles is responsible. So now you can see now that we have what we have respected the demand zone. Right. That means we are expecting this internal demand to be respected, kind of, right? Internal demand, internal demand. Let's drop down to 30 minutes. 1 hour will be given the same thing. So this is what we have for GJ. So GJ is a buy opportunity for me. Okay, we've had a shift already. This is it. There's a right. There's a shift already and a pullback expecting. So it's a buy for me. This is my first point of interest to buy. Hands on. First point of interest to buy is here. The second point of interest to buy is below. So this for GJ. Our take profit is because we have our daily high here and daily low. Where is the low again? Somewhere here. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Previous day low. Yeah, correct, correct, correct. Previous day high, correct, correct. So this is what we're expecting for my guy. Our TP is what's that's far above. So if I see price coming to this first demand, I'm interested. This 15 minutes, right? So I'm interested with this. Let me refine this. Let's refine this other block. I'm interested in that. Okay, so this is it. So my eyes are on GJ, silver, and EUSD for the week. Okay, I think this also serves for 30 minutes. Good, good, perfect. That block also serves for 30 minutes. Okay, that block also serves for 30 minutes on GJ. So we are cool. Okay, we have our 0, 1, 2, 3. Boom. Cool, 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 cool. I see. 1 to 5. Okay, that's cool. Right. This for GJ. So you can call it a day from here. You can call it a day from here. Can call it a day from here. Yeah, good. Hope you all got value. Hope you all clear. So what we did, looked at Euro USD, looked at silver, we looked at GBP, JPY. Yeah, this is enough for us to make money. Euro USD, gold, silver, GJ is enough. Is enough. Is enough. Is enough. Is enough. Yeah. So any question? Any question? Let's call it a day. Any question? Any question? Any question? Euro USD, gold, silver, then GJ. Let's be intentional this week. Let's be intentional this week. Yep. The question, if no question, I call it a day. All right.